Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Psycho-Cowboy, Simon Williams. Let's try this. Smith-Morra. So knight f6, bishop d3. I'm going to try bishop d3 to knight f6. Oh, it's not going with that. H4. Yeah, try and be aggressive. You can just take on e5. There is h6 though, maybe, or bishop f4. Maybe it's interesting. Bishop f4, knight a3 and castle queenside, or knight d2 and castle queenside. Hg. Knight e3 to b5. That's interesting. If I castle queenside here, that could be a fun game. H6, bishop f6, bishop g3, bishop e6. Go here. Is he going to castle queenside? H6 or HG? Don't think it does anything. Rook d5. Bishop h4, bishop f6. Oh, bishop h4, g5. Okay. What about f4 first, then bishop h4? F4 and then bishop h4, trying to provoke bishop f6. So I've got queen b7 potentially. That was the idea. There's bishop a4, that doesn't look good. Surely bishop a4 here. This is stronger. HG first. Bishop a4, bishop d7. Bishop a4. This is rook d5. Keep HG in reserve. There is rook d5 because his bishop's only holding the rook. Hang on. I think he might be falling apart here. So rook d5. So d7, I think it's falling apart. Rook d8, rook d7. Queen f7, I think I just double. Bishop e6. Right, queen f7 might be a problem. He's giving that one up. Maybe HG first, just to. If he moves the bishop, then queen h7. So open up the h file first. Is that wise? Knight b4, queen d7. Knight 7, queen e7. that H file. Bishop's pin, Queen D7 looks good. Don't think he's got too many resources here. I'm hoping he hasn't got too many resources here. So Rook D7, there's even Bishop B3 check. It's Queen D7 better. I think this has to be winning. Bishop B3 check and stuff. Everything's on H7. Looks like a total disaster. So I think just Bishop B3 check. Just to get the tempo on H7. Yep, enjoyed that one. Oh, let's have a quick look. Yeah, it was a bit speculative though. I am losing that centre pawn for nothing. But there's certain, I don't know, it doesn't look that easy for black. It's better. The key thing here, I think, you just really just castles. Yeah, and so F4 is actually good. I actually played a good move here. F4. I wanted this without G5. That was the point. If I played here, there's G5. So I actually just made Bishop H4 a bit more effective, a lot more effective. What does he do with his queen? Maybe just queen here, just keep hold of B7. So that was a terrible blunder. This is just great. Great news after Bishop A4. It's just crashing through. So what I played okay? I think it's okay. Rook D7 would have done. Queen B3 check. That's probably more accurate. Yeah, because I think what I played is there's Rook F7. That's still mate of 4. Okay, so Queen takes head. No big deal. Okay. Yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.